पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब मुकाबला है पुरुषों के 70 किलोग्राम वर्ग में और एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के पंकज राणा। पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब आ रहे हैं जयपुर निंजास की ओर से भारतीय मूल के विनोद कुमार ओम प्रकाश।
So this is going to feature two Indian grapplers against each other in the men's 70 kg category. Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, who was in your picture frame just a while ago, up against Pankaj Rana from NCR Punjab Royals. This 29-year-old has not got a lot of international experience in terms of medals, but medals at the Senior National Championships, bronze in 2016 and of course in 15 as well. But he's up against Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, who's got a lot more achievements at the international level. A Commonwealth Championship silver in 2016. The referee for this bout is Edith D'Souza. Remember, Om Prakash also won a silver at the Senior Asian Championships in Thailand as well. But Pankaj Rana has got a point to prove, Ajay.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a very, very important bout as well for the NCR Punjab Royals. They have to win it to stay in the hunt as far as this tie is concerned. And yes, Pankaj Rana, you mentioned he's done well at the national level. He's won bronze in 2016, in 15 as well, in the Senior National Championship. But as far as Vinod is concerned, he won a silver medal in 2016 Commonwealth Championship in Singapore. And the tie score in favor of Jaipur at the moment, 3-1. They are leading. So very important tie, this bout for the NCR Punjab Royals.
The opening point being scored there by the red corner. That's the Jaipur Ninjas. And using his experience, Vinod Kumar Om Prakash managed to push Pankaj Rana outside the safety zone. And that's why he's managed to pick up that solitary point.
Was sold for 12 lakhs, and in comparison, Pankaj Rana for 4 lakhs. So also that auction price much heavier for Vinod Kumar Om Prakash.
And that's thanks to his international experience as compared to Pankaj Rana, who's had a lot of exposure at the national championships, at the national level meets. But medals at the international level, competing against grapplers from the Southeast Asian region, that's what Vinod Kumar Om Prakash has in his kitty.
And you can straight away see as well that he's been more aggressive.
A lot of people tweeting in, including Babita Fogat, who's tweeted in as well. Remember, we've just had the super hit movie Dangal go out as well, based on the lives of Geeta and Babita Fogat.
And Babita saying that we had a wonderful first day. Last night was spectacular, a great opening as well, some wonderful wrestling competitions all round.
And yes, the felicitation of the Olympians as well that happened before the start of the bouts. And remember, both Geeta and Babita will be in action tomorrow when the UP Dangal team actually go on and take to the mat.
And Haryana Hammers as well, Raman taking a sort of revenge. Remember, last time around they were beaten in the finals by Mumbai team and taking a very, very, I think, sweet revenge yesterday in the opening tie.
Yes, it'll be interesting to see how they go tomorrow against the UP Dangal side.
But at the moment, well, here's a very, very good hold. Once again rolling over. Vinod Prakash has been a bit aggressive so far. Pankaj bagging a couple of points.
That move won't count because it's happened outside that outer circle on the mat, and that's exactly what's signaled by the referee as well. So the score still stays at 2-1.
Pankaj, although I just feel Raman has come back strongly. He's bagged those 2 important points. This has been a good move by him, more aggressive so far in the latter 1 minute.
Just being cautioned against an illegal hold. Just a quick warning there by the referee.
Can't hold the fingers, that's illegal hold, and that's exactly what the referee told.
Good move here by Vinod. Now can he capitalize on this and pick up points against Pankaj Rana? Good defense by Pankaj as well, because he's got a measure of Vinod. He's pushed him out of the safety zone. So he'll pick up a point again. One more point. The lead will swell to 3-1 now in favor of Pankaj Rana.
And that's fantastic because he came back very strongly. He was in a difficult position, but then bouncing back very quickly and pushing away his opponent, Vinod, out of the safety zone. So that's good work done by Pankaj. Punjab now leading. These are valuable points for them. Not much time left now in this first round.
Just trying desperately to make a comeback. Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, and he's been allocated a point. Sunny Deol and Geeta Fogart looking on in attendance as the opening round ends in this bout. It's just a 1-point lead for NCR Punjab Royals, Pankaj Rana.
We've seen some evenly matched contest this evening. 3-2 in favor of Pankaj Rana at the end of round 1.
Vinod Kumar Om Prakash has got his task cut out because he's trailing by a point against Pankaj Rana. So the Jaipur Ninjas grappler, who's got more experience, more international accolades at the championship level, at the Commonwealth, against Pankaj Rana. Rana had a point to prove and he's dominated in round 1, Ajay.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought a very good comeback. Definitely a lot of word out there, a lot of advice. Vinod has to bounce back. Very important about this one as far as the NCR Punjab Royals are concerned. They have to win to stay in the hunt as far as this tie is concerned. The second round just starting, and once again attacking initially. That's good work done by Pankaj Rana. And at the moment, Vinod getting a bit of hold, bagging a point as well, pushing away his opponent out of the safety zone.
Very good recovery by Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, because you had Rana, who was more aggressive, and now in trouble. Pankaj Rana gets pushed out again. But who's been given the point here? The point's been given to Jaipur. Yes, you've got Om Prakash who's picked up a point. The red corner being allocated that 1 point because they pushed out Pankaj Rana out of that safety zone.
Suddenly, you feel the tables have turned around because Jaipur have got a slender lead now. And Vinod, you can firmly see that he's more aggressive. He's looking for the single leg tackle. He's bending more. He's attacking more. So this is good thinking on his part. This is like a game of chess. You have to always think, see what the moves of your opponent are.
And I think the over-aggressiveness of Pankaj Rana in the first 30 seconds also have backfired, because Om Prakash has been very aware of what his opponent has tried. He's been counteractive. He's used the counteractive measures to great effect and scored those 2 points.
Very valuable points, and you see this second round has been very different as compared to the first one. There, Vinod wasn't very attacking. Now he's in a different mindset altogether. Definitely, I think that advice the coaches give makes a big difference as well, Raman.
And I think the energy left in the tank also makes a difference.
Absolutely, and that's the reason this game is about skill, energy, the pace, the high voltage you're showing all the time.
Just trying to physically dominate his opponent, and that's why he's being just warned by the referee. 5-3, he's leading as Vinod Kumar Om Prakash, and if he wins this bout, then Jaipur Ninjas win the tie.
Absolutely, and they are in a lead now. They always say tough time never lasts, but tough people do. And yes, so far Vinod has been pretty smart, especially in this round. You mentioned with the tie score in favor of Jaipur so far. They've got a good healthy lead, 3-1 in their favor. And if they win this bout, well, they win the tie as well.
Yes, because there are a total of 7 bouts that are contested in each tie. 4-1 would mean an unassailable lead. And that would be ideal because the next 2 bouts that come up, one of them features Ajikuroye, the Nigerian. Remember, that's the next bout coming up, where she's the favorite, so to speak, but she could have a little challenge come through. But Jaipur really have been tremendous today.
Yeah, absolutely. You see, Vinod Kumar, I was just studying, Raman. Last year, 2016, he's done well in the international competitions. Silver medal in the Senior Asian Championship in Thailand. You mentioned about the Commonwealth Championship in Singapore, getting a silver medal out there as well. So he's done well last year in the international tournaments.
He also went to Russia to compete in another international tournament. Didn't finish among the medals there, but he's got a lot of international exposure, and that experience is showing in this bout as well against Pankaj Rana.
He's got to make the moves here. Pankaj very quickly, time running away. Just about 3 seconds left. Well, this game will be going to the Jaipur Ninjas, and they have won the tie as well. So a good win as far as Vinod Kumar Om Prakash is concerned, coming back very strongly in the second round, and he's the winner out here. A slender win for him, but win is a win, and ultimately winning this important tie for his team, the Jaipur Ninjas.
You could see contrasting emotions among the coaches, but the fans are loving it. No two ways about it. They're enjoying great grappling action. Vinod Kumar Om Prakash managed to push Pankaj Rana out of the safety zone to pick up a point early on. Then that single leg hold was converted into a couple of points, managed to push his opponent out again, leveled scores, and then he was unstoppable in the end, clinching the bout 5 points to 3. Vinod Kumar Om Prakash living up to his billing as the favorite to win this bout. And that's the confirmation of the score as well. Winning by points difference. And this win has given the Jaipur Ninjas an unassailable lead in the tie as far as the overall score is concerned.